There's Michelle and her dog. There's Michelle and her dog walking through the trails of Reston.
Can you get close up of us?
Hold up.
Hey, everybody.
Let me zoom in.